Safety. Damn it. Oh, told you.
Safety's on the left-hand side.
No, it pulled. He pulled it. And it was nothing in the chamber.
No, there was.
Did you not slide the...
No, yeah, there is actually. Wait, pull this out. Now let go. No, don't ride it. Just pull all the way back and let go.
All this?
Yeah, just pull all the way and let go. There you go. Now do it. Yep. Yeah, you can't ride that thing. Now this time just pull it and let go. It ain't a girl, come on.
Gotta adjust that side a little bit.
You're shooting high, David, just about a foot up. Damn it.
See what happens?
You only gave me